Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hard reset Tecno Spark 50 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgotten their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password. You can see incorrect password. Okay, if we press and hold the power button and try to power the smartphone, so you can see enter password to power off your smartphone. So now to power off or restart your smartphone, press the volume up and power button together. Just press and hold it. And when the screen turn off after a few seconds, again press and hold the volume up and power button together. And when the Tecno logo appears, release the power button and keep pressing the volume up button. And you can see now you are in Android recovery mode. It will send you in Android recovery mode. Here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm. And you can see guys on top, wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Now simply what you have to do, go to factory data reset and confirm it. And you can see on bottom, data wipe complete. Okay, now after it, what you have to do, simply reboot system now. And guys, after hard set might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard set when again ask for password, pin or pattern, use the Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard set Tecno Spark 50 5G smartphone really easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you so much.